Okay, good day everyone. I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to another episode of Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about dividing monomials. Answering the question, what is the quotient of 26x raised to 8 and 4x raised to 6? So first thing that we are going to do is we're going to translate our statement to an algebraic expression. Wherein 26x raised to 8 is our dividend and our divisor will be 4x raised to 6. So this statement will be translated as 26x raised to 8 divided by 4x raised to 6. Okay? And we can also rewrite this expression into a fraction form. Because our operation is division, we can rewrite it as a fraction form. Wherein 26 x raised to 8 will be our numerator and our denominator is 4x raised to 6. Okay? Now, let's divide our monomials applying the rules coefficient divided by coefficient, variable divided by the variable. So let's simplify this expression. So let's start first with the coefficient 26 divided by 4. So 26 divided by 4. Can we divide 26 by 4? If not, we can just simplify. So we will just simplify 26 and 4 using the divisibility rule or simplifying fraction. So let's look for the common factor of 26 and 4. And 26 and 4, they are both divisible by 2. So we will divide 26 and 4 by 2. So 26 divided by 2 will be 13. And 4 divided by 2 will be 2. So our simplified form of 26 divided by 4 will be 13 over 2. Okay? Next, let's proceed to our variable. So we have here x raised to 8 divided by x raised to 6. So in dividing our variables, we will apply the loss of exponent quotient rule, wherein we will copy the base, which is x, and then subtract the exponent. So 8 minus 6. Okay? So 8 minus 6, that will give us 2. So our final answer, when we simplify this, it will be 13 over 2 x raised to 2. And that's it. That will be our final answer. Ta-da! Alright. And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.